explaining what the birds in Angry Birds 2 does for every single day. Part 3. Chuck. Chuck is an absolute piece of shit. He's an arrogant jerk. Oh god, then let me reread my script real quick. His ability is that he can speed up. That's pretty much it. This is not what I read from the script. I actually forgot where did my script go. Anyways. Wait, short form content can be 3 minutes? Damn! Anyways, Chuck is introduced in Angry Birds Classic. He's a triangle bird. And that's pretty much it. He speeds up and gets more momentum, like when activating the power or abilities. Let me remind you, you can pick any bird. I'm just going with my own order, which is red, blues, Chuck, bomb. I forgot, and I also forgot. Yeah, I need to check my footage, but anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. See you tomorrow for part 4. See ya.